Welcome. In front of me is a Doogee S55 Lite, and today I'll show you how to perform a hard reset through factory mode. So to start off, we're gonna power off the device, hold power key, then select power off and confirm it. Now wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, we're gonna hold volume down and power key. So volume down and power key. Hold both of them simultaneously. And once you see the logo, you can let go. So as you can see, you have a menu and nothing that resembles English. I believe it's Chinese or something like that, but from here you will use volume down to navigate. As you can see, volume up doesn't work, so only volume down, and select the only option that has word EMMC, and then confirm it with power button, like so. And this will basically perform a hard reset of the device. Okay, and as you can see, the process is finished, and you can set up your device as you like. So that is basically how you would perform a hard reset through a factory mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.